Good morning, guys. It is our trades back here with another video. I want to thank you for joining me. We are 2.5 minutes to the market open. Guys, we're just going to have a brief look here at Financial Juice, Bloomberg, our top headlines in the morning, and News Squawk, and then briefly head over to the charts, guys. So this is our trades back here. Going to get you your morning debriefing for the futures trading. All right, guys. Bloomberg, 5 things you need to know to start your day, Americas. Also wanted to mention, guys, if you like this content, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and use the affiliate links in the description box below. 80% off Apex Trader funding using the coupon link in the description box below. Okay, guys, 5 things you need to know to start your day, Americas, by David Goodman. Good morning. Investors boost bets Donald Trump will win the U.S. presidential election after an assassination attempt. Markets await Powell comments and luxury shares have a bad day in Europe. Here's what traders are talking about. Trump trades as world financial markets reopened after the attempted assassination of Donald Trump. Traders anticipate the Republicans' return to the White House gathered momentum. The dollar and U.S. stock futures rose while treasuries fell as trading kicked off on Monday, with long-dated bonds leading losses on bets Trump's fiscal and trade policies will spur growth. That saw the yield on 30-year bonds rise above 2-year equivalents for the first time since January. Fed speakers, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly are due to speak later on Monday after what our global wrap calls, quote, a watershed week in the Federal Reserve's fight against inflation. The appearances come after economic reports last week bolstered bets on 2 rate cuts in 2024. Alphabet acquisition. Google parent Alphabet is in talks to acquire cybersecurity startup Wiz in a transaction that could total as much as $23 billion, according to a person familiar with the matter. If completed, that would be the tech giant's largest acquisition to date and help Google catch up to Microsoft and Amazon in an increasingly competitive cloud market. Alphabet was flat in pre-market trading. Luxury problems. In Europe, it was a bad day for the luxury sector. Burberry slumped as much as 15% after it issued a profit warning, replaced its chief executive officer, and suspended its dividend. China stumbles. What we've been reading, Apple's annual sales in India hit a record of almost $8 billion. Nir Kaisar says Gen Z's alternative investing will cost them dearly. A rate cut from the Bank of England next month is in the balance. Wall Street pushes back after activists escalate protests. Economists look past Lagarde for clues on ECB rate cuts. And then, guys, finally, here's what Joe's interested in this morning. Let's have a look at some of our items. Some of the criticism might even be true. There's a possibility of inflation returning. Okay, guys, let's go over to News Squawk, U.S. market open. Initial strength in the U.S. dollar sparked by the Trump assassination attempt fades. Russell 2000 outperforms and BTC is greater than 62,000. 4 things you need to know. European bourses, which I think they mean stocks, are mostly lower, but sentiment has improved in recent trade. Dollar is subdued but still holds just above 104 evens. Euro USD at 109 and the Kiwi lags. Bonds were initially subdued in reaction to the assassination attempt on former President Trump, pressure which has since paired. Crude is choppy and modestly higher. Gold holds on to $2,400 an ounce, and Bitcoin soars past $62,000 an ounce. Okay, guys, top headlines here from Financial Juice. Need to know market risk following an assassination attempt. Investors increased their bets that Donald Trump would win the U.S. presidential election, which caused the dollar to rise and Treasury futures to decline. Let's head over to the charts, guys. We are seeing here at the open